say wo ka kire me say wo a wo te Ghana onte hwe a ena me be kire mo a mo te Ghana mo se mu say yesi factory no me we evidence wa ha me the evidence ni wi a me say so abobo place bi ama mo especially mo a mo Sam George constituency. This time sa na ebe no mo kan Sam George wa we nim Sam George no ma menka Sam George in kire o Sam George ni MPB a ono de o say on pene ma government business enkoso na minu a wo hwe me nne say na the first day a say ye ka say government business anya government business ne so be nya na no pa disca be show botom patro no ye true sa ban bi aka kire o say oba o disca be show botom aka kire no say oboa o ka kire o say orden hihye ye beba na watumi atap into it de anyiska aka say ampa no de obeje adi na so no aka kire o say obetiti scam wa ye two things ida so obebo kro no de amawo ana say sika eso de your mind adwuma no obetiti and obetiti ne srene abasa e de amamo awe me say me te Canada me ba Ghana factories na NDC for say any ho factories now the media has chosen not to talk about it no me ne me bili lifestyle ya me hu mako 10 and over and no to say Afia Pokuwaa betna be ka kire o say and ye ka say basic factories na won hia mon tron kan kire ne say she should shut up or kasa dodo she's a chatterbox Afia Pokuwaa vim lady she's a chatterbox kasa de kwa and then about bedi or chino ba Alan bedi or just a confused electrons because or person winning the hearts of the masses enti no ba no be kanfo ba umia ade achi no aba be kanfo we ade achi no aba kanfo we just to win the hearts of Ghanaians. But that is not journalism. Journalism is being honest and reporting the truth and nothing but the truth. Enti vim lady the way we are wanu chokro do three pounds e betina ho dim panifo atem no e ya no wasena ka say oh ampo me ko prampram ne ya making one district one factory me hu ye kra no mienu aye ready ye operational. That is the news Afia Pokuwaa vim lady and the so-called journalists in Ghana, Joy News and the TV3s are supposed to report. If you people claim say anywhere, why don't you send your reporter? That is the part that kills me. They have people on payroll as reporters, yet they don't send them to verify these things. Say the MPP bebabeka. They don't do it. When the Pokuwaa offer no onja me friend one patron my busy. When the Pokuwaa offer no onja me friend my busy. You understand? To me metne we are say we a journalists. Na ade da where say wo be kan ho asem ne de onka na mo sorry a confusion and they say yan for time bi embra ban no ho no bia hu sa ban ne momode me se me ame baaye one district one factory na ye no kre enye tro ye no kre e koso na de ye me ya ne say the obesi 75 factories no Ghana for so ye hero enkroma ye disika kese ye kura no sika pipi die kura no wono ni di osi kakra bi no Ghana for we hail it Akufo ado esi double ye see ye hu ye na ampa a party communicator akotena ho na wantumi ankere say factory will say because o say ye didi agya no communicator te ho
mo kwa ye no mo kwa jiska fe de Vodafone mo atwam enti John Mama ka so betwa 11 no ma oginidi
dabi
o ba ginadi o de no atu nkyanya employment NDC manifesto
kana wo de no besi ama me
2008 page 46 one amujo ka say you are going to create employment for all those who are willing and able to work.
Yes,
ekwa wi asem
willing and able
mo ka sa asem na twamanfo trim ekwa wi asem wantima fa adwuma na ama no Ghana fo busa wo no 18th November 2016 Peace FM online see you are not a magician as no catch yen e de che yen eno na twere no e catch o Ephesians 5:7 say let no one deceive you with empty words. Finally no mensa na small kan ya manfo nche ni o say mama is not truthful, that is why he sacked me. 10th September 2018 www.otakfmghana.com
Brigadier General Numensa.
Yes, here Wisdom Kukubo, NDC Communication Officer, K2 South, Ghana Web, Monday, 11th June 2018. Mama can deceive us again. Wisdom Kukubo. Minya, enti so mo kan che the Rollins crack I say NDC lies too much. Rollins, www.ghanaweb.com. 39th, what they saying? June 4th, 39th anniversary of the social welfare Medina. That was somebody in trouble, baby. Now one kasa, Okratei, ABC. Nasa Ben Wanka. Was it drunk a yiswa, abatwa swa, yaka frafra.
I had the frafra.
A contrompo. Now, Mamma, His Excellency, on Trasido. What their campaign would not womb. A cheerful, yes, Remo, Papa so pang maso Kupa the Yen more than. Ye tax a don't sound the free hop. And so no are the free SHS ba. No are the planting for food and jobs ba. What the one district one factory ba. No are the free SHS no the ba. Ye could do Pempenswa yarea. Et me kun asumpa gudwam American magufu. Nessa na yem wa ye ho a. Na joma amasi 11 obe ye free one mo a. Ye musa ye se na odi ekwa IMF. Ama dwuma kufu ado His Excellency offer no. Obetwa mu ana. Asem sebe nyame initiative.
Nyankopon so insha ya do akoba fi na ya wo kwem na yiba betrase na me wo two voices bi na se na Jomhama ko last week no ko yes na lecture bi o se the Ghana at the crossroads. Na Jomhama oh mama ya kan 1 minute bi na wo de akọ na me ba o se ma bo fifi kwetedie na awie ho ma mo boy na me ntie de Jomhama commander sugar factory na wo boss and 4 pa se omon kono hwe se esigire ni ye adwuma na se ni ho no se trofo kono mu ye ano papa o no ye live program se
metamu adia bi koko me papa no pa ne so call commander na mcha den mu ko conference o koto gaba
okay edited de o se afei Jomhama go fo bo na chia se ada na commander sugar factory anti anya adwuma Jomhama kwatena se be 4 years later ya wadwene asitiri I was asman person be kana bontini na me fan converse Ghana for the Jomhama dwie nyina no de obeka che Ghana for the busafo yenti kakra.
Phase 1 of the project any factory no NEC and phase 2 government of India may another $24 million for sugar culture.
Eneka or say any person or group of persons, any person of group or group of persons. And this a me kase me yeku na me nyankrofo bi mo support me it means they concur. And ye nyina na yeku ese e chi omo nyina. Omo ma be gina ho na yenyi nipa hunu bi say mani be pie yenko omo koy demonstration. The police ought to arrest all of them. Ese e chi omo nyina. Because that is what the constitution is saying. The reason why me dey this non-entity din ato so work at the chief fan, and then I'm going to school him. O kasa bag ye de Ghana say we are saying nyansa unko an kita. You this particular person who are you? We are wine. Okatachi we are wine. Ukrano you were irrelevant. Kufu MPP eba power. Yeah, pre-power. MPP pre-power 2016 udu hube jim and ma ukonya followers. One kasa now we are wine.